Yesterday I considered the dump from this point because it was the obvious wave C inside wave 2, but market did the exactly opposite, and now I'm a little bit confused what's coming is next. But one thing, I need to recount all my Elliott wave formation, and today I will show you this formation. Hello my dear friends, it's Ivan making the crypto analysis updates for you to make you aware how to trade to maximize your profit. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing in this video can be used as a financial advice. Let's start on the 4-hourly time frame of our favorite crypto exchange Whitebit. You can use link in the description to register on this exchange. And I will remind you why I decided to short the market right here. Because here was the impulsive wave, as I suppose wave 1 after this corrective pump, and here was the very beautiful ABC correction, A, B, and here I suppose that wave C has been ended as a wave 2. It was the wave 1, it was the wave 2. Moreover, if we draw the Fibonacci retracement, we can see right here how perfectly it touched the 0.618 Fibonacci zone. It was the perfect setup, guys, to short the market, and now I'm still holding short because I believe that bear market has not been ended, but we need to recount our local waves. Well, now it's obviously not the wave 2 because it has almost hit the previous high. Of course, we have the very low probability that it was the wave 2, and now we will see the dump from the current prices, but now I'm not believing that. I suppose we will see the pump a little bit higher. I will show you the targets. First of all, I want to show you the global Elliott wave analysis because it changed. As you remember, of course, it was the wave 3. Because it then was the most impulsive wave, and here I consider it wave 4, and it's my wave 5, and here I consider the last wave 5 inside this wave 5. But now I changed my mind because I looked again at this price action. It's really ugly. I can't find here the any corrective zigzag, for example, and I can't find here anything. The only what I found the 5 waves in this pump, and if you remember, I shorted from exactly this point, and I called this dump. And yesterday I wanted to catch the similar dump, but the market decided to change my mind, and now I consider that here was the wave 3, it's the same, and here was the wave 4, because the corrections usually are very ugly, and now we are in wave 5 only now, and it was the wave 5. Oh, sorry, wave 1 inside the new bearish wave to the downside, the last bearish wave, the wave 5, because here the very beautiful Elliott wave cycle on the local picture, of course. And now we are in wave 2, which consists of wave A, wave B, and wave C now should increase above this high. I suppose we will see this grow. Of course, I'm not going to close my short position because I believe that we will see the new dump from this or from the current prices. It doesn't matter, and now we have to measure the potential target. If it was the wave 4 start, we have to measure the Fibonacci target. You know that wave 2 has the natural correction target 0.618 Fibonacci. It's approximately $19,000, maybe $19,100, and I can see here price have the potential to grow more, and only after that we will see the impulsive dump. And now it doesn't make sense to close my short position because it have the potential to pump only 5%, and the potential dump is 30%, and I don't want to miss this opportunity. Of course, my short entry was at $17,100. It's approximately 20%, and it's also appropriate for me. Of course, it's very bad for the risk management. I understand it, but I am sure that the bull market has not been started, and we will see this dump, and it was the start of the new bearish wave. On the local time frame, guys, we need to check the local time frame to understand when we can say that the current pump has been ended. For this purpose, we have to turn on the awesome oscillator, and let's take a look at the awesome oscillator. Of course, now it's just the wave 3, and we have to see more pump. We need to measure number of bars. It's more than 140. Let's switch to the 3-hourly time frame. Of course, it's also wave 3. On the 4-hourly time frame, it's also the wave 3, and our condition to short the market, if you are not if you have not done it yet, you can wait for the correction, for the crossover of zero line, for the new push to the upside in the price, and the awesome oscillator, when we'll see this divergence, the forming fractal right here, and the squat bar right here also. You can try to short the market, and probably you will be much more successful than me. Well, guys, I hope you have not lost money on this my advice to short market from this position. I hope you follow your risk management plan. As I told you, I lost only 0.8% of my deposit. Of course, it's not a big problem for me. And now I'm still waiting the bear market continuation. And as you know, I have some holdings, long-term holdings in Bitcoin and some altcoins. Maybe I will take profit from those positions right here to compensate this loss on the short trade. Thank you so much for attention. Good luck and goodbye.